this lecture we are going to discuss one example to solve the division in computer architecture. So here divisor is 10001, that means divisor is having 5 bits. Dividend is 01110, it is also having 5 bits. B complement plus 1 is equal to 01111, it is equal to 2's complement of B. Q is quotient, and finally remainder will be stored in A and quotient will be stored in Q. Now here we have to perform the operations. We can see that the value of A is less than B. Okay, so we have discussed the flowchart in the previous lecture. From there you have to refer to that flowchart to solve this example. If A is less than B, then we have to perform the shift left EAQ operation. So here initially E was empty, A is having the value of dividend, and Q is also dividend. You can we did in the flowchart that AQ is storing the dividend. So 5 bits are used to represent the dividend here. So here this last bit is called as Qn. Sequence counter is 5, that will go on decremented after we perform the division. So here initially the content of A and Q will be shifted to left position. So A is shifted to this position and E will become 0 here. And here this is done the left shift operation. After that you can see that the value of E is 0. If E is 0, then we have to add 2's complement of B with A. So add 2's complement of B with A and we will get the value 01011, and 1 will be in the E register, that is carry output, and Q will be 4 zeros and 1. Now why here is 1? Because E is equal to 1 here. Okay, after performing the addition operation, E is equal to 1. So according to the flowchart, if E is equal to 1 here, then we have to set Qn equals to 1. So here Qn is the last bit of the dividend, or you can say quotient. So here write the value 1. So after that again shift left these values and this will become 0 1 0 double 1 0, then 0 0 0 1, and add 0 here. Okay, so here you can see that E is equal to 0. Now E is equal to 0, so again add 2's complement of B with A. So it will become 1 0 1 plus 1 0 plus 1 1 1 carry, 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0 plus 0, then 0 1 carry. So E will become 1 here. Okay, so if E will become 1 here, then shift 1 to the position of Qn. So here you can write 0 0 0 1 1, and the sequence counter will be get decremented and it will become 3 here. So now again perform the shift left operation. 0, this is shift left operation, and this here E was equal to 0, so add A and 2's complement of A. So here E equals to 1, so set Qn equals to 1. So now after shifting it will become 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. So now here again E is equal to 0, so add 2's complement with A. It will become 1 0 1 1 plus 0 1 plus 1 0 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0 plus 1 1 1 carry 1. Now in this case no carry bit is inverted, so Qn in this case will remain same. So here you can see E is 0 in this case. Okay, so shift, so add E is equal to 0, so add A plus B here, 10001, and it will become here E is 0, so add A with B, so it will become 0 1 0 1 0 1. Here E will become 1 again. Now here shift left the value of A and Q. So E will become 0 here, then 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. So now E is 0 here, so add A with 2's complement of B. It will become 00011 with 1 in E. And here E is equal to 1, so Qn equals to 1, so here it will become 0 1 1 0 1. Here the value of E is 1, A is 00011, Q is 01101. Sequence counter is now 1 here. So we have one more step to perform. Shift the content. Now E will become 0 here, and here 0 0 1 1 0, then 1 1 0 1 0. Here again E equals to 0, so add A and 2's complement of B. So it will become 1 0 1 0 1. So after this operation, E is equal to 0, so add B to the A. So the value will become here E equals to 1 and A is equal to 0001110, and this will become 11010. The sequence counter here becomes 0. That means our division process is completed. So here 00110 is remainder and 11010 is quotient. Discard this 1 in the E. So this is all about the division process.